Hey traders, in this video I want to walk through a 10-point trade I just took in the ES. And this video is intended for those who purchased the tools and are looking to learn. It's also intended for anybody who's just curious to see if this is something you'd like to incorporate into your trading strategy. Let's take a look at the charts. Now this is just a recording. I screen captured the trade. I'm just going to click and drag really quickly and go through the things I was looking at. Now the most important feature of this entry was the closing read from last night. You could see that the market was bullish, but we were expecting to burn off because tension had got rather high up in the 40s. So I wanted to see the market burn some of the tension, give us a nice bullish trend entry, and then see that trade work. And you could see that we have burned off some tension here. You can see that. And now we're just looking for the entry that sets that up. And the entry I'm looking for is decay under 0. And I want to buy that. And I would also like to see these trapped orders be near being done. You see how it's green? Trapped orders is an indicator that looks for like sellers in the stocks in the exchange, and then you buy against the stock traders. Stock traders don't realize that most of the time they're being used as liquidity for index trades. So I use this indicator to track that. I'd like to see this get down. We started at about 40% a little bit ago. It's down to about 15%. So I like to see that get close to being done, that they're done selling in the stocks so that I can buy into the index. All right, so let me push play. You can see here. All right, I just filled the order, and you can see that the sell orders picked up actually a little bit after I filled the trade. But everything looked like it was lining up pretty well. We had the entry, decay was under, tension had burned off, not as much as I'd like, but a little bit, enough that I was comfortable taking the trade. So then it was just a matter of sitting, making sure those sell orders get done. And you can see decay did something here that is a little difficult, which is it popped back up above 0, which is difficult because you can't see that historically. The intra-bar values moved in a way that made it pop back above 0. But we had it down below 0. Our sell orders are at 1%. They're almost done. If you can't quite see that, that's 1%. They finish, and the market starts to move a little bit, and it finally takes off here. So while this is ticking, I'll let this play. Okay, there it was, the glorious take profit. Okay, so to recap, structure of the market. Last night's closing read was expecting the market to move down into a trend long and then rally back up after we burn off some tension. And that's what we got. Second, you need to know what entry you're looking for. That was the trend long entry that I had set up there. Third, execution of the trade needed to be good. I didn't want to be buying too early or buying too late. So we had those 3 things, and this is how you successfully day trade. You need these 3 things. The most important is that expectation. You need to be able to say this is what's going to happen, and then it does. That needs to be happening regularly, or you won't be able to survive as a trader. I hope this helps as a teaching tool and a resource for everybody. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the video or communicate with me on Twitter. Good luck trading.